Hey there. Today we have an interesting problem to tackle together. The problem we're diving into involves manipulating a data frame in R to categorize rows based on certain conditions. So in this data frame, we have columns representing different categories, and we want to assign a group number based on the values in these columns. The catch is that the group numbers should change when the value in the first column changes, creating a new sequence. Now, let's jump into the solution for this puzzle. By cleverly using the dplyr package in R, we can group the data by the first variable and then create a new group column. We achieve this by combining the second and third columns into a single string, getting unique values for this new column, and finally, matching these unique values to generate the group numbers we desire. And there you have it, a neat and efficient way to solve this problem using R. By following these steps, you can easily number the rows in your data frame based on specific conditions, maintaining a clear and organized structure. I hope you found this solution helpful and insightful for your data manipulation tasks. If you enjoyed learning about this technique, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more exciting R programming tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Remember, coding can be fun and creative too. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy coding. Remember, life is short, program it well. See you in the next video.